welcome to Jiggsy Shed. Now this is a quick project, just to show you guys I am still here, as I haven't had any content out on my YouTube channel for a little while, and that's because I've been working on something big that's taking a long time to edit. Now this is a Delta slimline kit from Taylor's Murfield, and the blank also came from them. So on the lathe here, just drilling the holes, and the shavings got a bit hot and melted and made the drill bits get stuck. So a bit of work to get it undone, but quickly got sorted and continued. Now this is the third pen I'm making for my wife, as she had lost the first two. Condition was that she buys the blank and the kit and I will turn it for her. So finally got around to doing that. So once the holes were drilled, I was able to key the brass inserts and then glue them in using 03 adhesives, medium CA glue. And then once the glue was dried, I was able to use a barrel trimmer to get the blank flush with the brass fitting before placing it on the mandrel. Now the mandrel I'm using is the Roteur Deluxe kit, and it came with little cone bushings, as I did not have the right size bushings for this pen. Only realized it at the time. But shortly we'll see that as I started the turning, my phone had actually died, as I forgot to switch the plug on to charge the phone. Didn't realize it at the time, so we're jumping in a bit later when it's rounded but still needs trimming down. Now I needed to use calipers here to get it to the right size, as I said, I didn't have the right bushings and I was using the cone ones, so it took just a bit more work to get it correct. Now doing this, I remembered why I don't tend to do many resin pens, and it's because it really clogs up around the pen and you constantly have to stop, clean it away and continue, whereas wood shavings just go away. And then sanding it down to, I think I was sanded it to 400 grit before moving on to using Yorkshire grit, original, and then Microfine to give it a really good shine. And then once it was shined up, I could use microcrystalline wax for the final protective finish. It also helps protect against fingerprinting. And then once that was done, I could take it off the lathe and start assembling. Now this fitted really nicely, easy together, using just a pair of clamps. Though I did have to look at Katie's demonstration on their on the Taylor's Murfield YouTube page to figure out how best to put this together, as in the sequence. But went together easily, and there it is. Really pleased with how this turned out, and loving the effect, and most of all my wife loves it. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And I hope to see you next time. Take care.